A basic principle of consumer protection is that a company must obtain consumers' informed consent before charging them for any goods or services. Today we're announcing that Apple has agreed to settle a Federal Trade Commission complaint alleging that Apple fell short on that principle. Our case against Apple arises in the context of children's apps used on the iPad, iPhone, and iTouch. The FTC alleges that Apple failed to tell parents that when they entered their Apple password, they were authorizing a charge for a virtual item to be used in the app, as well as opening a 15-minute window during which their child could make unlimited additional purchases without further action by the parent. As a result, we've alleged that, in aggregate, children ran up millions of dollars in charges without their parents' knowledge or consent. We allege that Apple's conduct violated the FTC Act's prohibition on unfair practices. Apple has agreed to settle this claim. Under the terms of our settlement, Apple will be required to provide full refunds to consumers for any charges by a minor that were unauthorized. The settlement sets a $32.5 million floor on Apple's payment. If refunds come to less than $32.5 million, Apple will pay the balance to the FTC. In addition, Apple must modify its practices to ensure that parents are not charged for in-app purchases without their express consent.